ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all sizes. So here's the little boosted video I'll show you. It's on performance right now. So as you can see, it really steps up, man. It's really impressive, but functional to me, no, not really. I haven't towed with it yet. It's got a tow setting that I'll be trying here this summer. It's winter time right now, obviously, because of the snow, but so that depending on what the tow package does for me will determine. So let's give it another boosted here on performance here. Really only giving it about half the throttle, so it just holds that boost right open, and I like it. So that's this video, just a quick one showing you. And if you have any questions, like I said, let me know. Next project I have is, as you can see, is going to be that stupid ABS light that just came on. And let me know down below what programmer you run, if you've got one, what tunes you have, if they're custom, and let me know how you like it. I see a lot of people have the what is it, TS tuner. Looks like a lot more, at least YouTube videos on TS tuners than I think they're TS, I'm not sure, tuners than these bully dogs. So let me know where you get your custom tunes at, and let me know what I should do as far as custom tunes. As always, thanks for watching, and can't wait to read your comments.